Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix the issue with the screen moving down on iPhone Air. So if you got an issue with this gesture on your iPhone and you don't know how to disable it, then the first thing that you have to do is open settings, then scroll down to accessibility settings, then open them, and then scroll down to physical and motor category and open touch settings. Now find reachability and switch this toggle to the left, and once you do this, your iPhone will stop performing this gesture and your screen will stop moving down. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.